Want to turn your words into stunning AI generated images? In this video, I will show you how to use DALL-E 2, the powerful image generator by OpenAI, step by step, even if you are a total beginner. Let's dive in. DALL-E 2 is an AI tool by OpenAI that creates realistic or artistic images from simple text prompts. You just describe what you want to see, like a cat wearing space armor. Click on try DALL-E. Then update DALL-E updates to DALL-E 3. Then create image. Then sign up for free. Sign up with your Google account. Now in the prompts section, write a cat wearing space armor, and it draws it for you instantly. Then click on create button. It's perfect for designers, creators, marketers, or just for fun, like that. To get started, just go to openart.ai or search for DALL-E 3 because DALL-E 2 old version. Or if you are already using ChatGPT Pro, just go to the ChatGPT website and select the DALL-E tab. Log in with your OpenAI account or create one. It's free to start. Now let's make our first image like that. Click on download button for download, then select your location and save. Here some tips for better results. Be clear and specific. Mention the style like realistic, 3D, oil painting, cartoon, etc. Include details like lighting, mood, background, or colors. Use adjectives. A majestic lion in golden sunlight, photorealistic. Majestic lion in golden sunlight, photorealistic. Then click create. The more detail you give, the better your image will be. What you can do with DALL-E images? You can use DALL-E images for thumbnails, posters, illustrations, social media posts, creative projects, and even commercial use. Check the OpenAI license terms to be sure. And that's how you use DALL-E 2 or 3 to generate amazing AI art in 2025. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and comment your favorite image prompt below. What want an advanced tutorial? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.